Ever thought about starting your own AI agency? What if I told you it could take less time than brewing your morning coffee? With TeamBuddy AI, you can launch your AI agency in under 60 seconds. No experience needed. TeamBuddy AI is a brand new AI app that lets you launch your very own profitable AI agency preloaded with 50+ highly trained AI employees who work tirelessly 24/7 for you and your clients, without paying them any salaries in just 60 seconds. It enables you to create, manage, and customize AI staff, departments, and projects effortlessly, perfect for building an AI-driven agency business and unlocking new revenue streams. Check out why you'll totally love TeamBuddy AI. This groundbreaking tech lets you quickly build, personalize, and launch your own virtual AI offices and companies in no time. Imagine having over 50 highly trained AI employees ready to work around the clock without needing breaks or salaries. You can chat with these smart AIs to boost your business productivity like never before. Easily set up and manage departments for smooth teamwork that takes your business growth to new heights. With projects management on autopilot, you can assign tasks, upload resources, and track progress, all handled by AI staff so nothing gets missed. Instantly hire or fire AI employees as needed with zero long-term commitments or extra costs. Integrate these virtual employees into your website with just one click to enhance user experience and streamline operations. You can even export their conversations easily. Rest assured with fully encrypted chats that keep your data private and secure. Plus, advanced HR analytics give you insights into the performance of your AI workforce. Say goodbye to monthly fees, pay once and use forever. Dominant platforms like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork effortlessly with TeamBuddy AI. No complicated setup required to get started in just 2 minutes. And hey, a commercial license is included so you can create custom virtual offices for clients and get paid big time. Plus, you will get fast action bonuses worth $16,485 during launch only. Launching your own profitable AI agency is a breeze with TeamBuddy AI. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Log into the super user-friendly TeamBuddy AI dashboard. Step 2. Watch as TeamBuddy AI sets up your entire company from scratch in under a minute. Step 3. And that's all there is to it. Kick back and relax while TeamBuddy AI takes care of running your business on autopilot. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Experience the future of AI agency work today. Sign up for TeamBuddy AI now and watch your productivity soar within seconds. Click the link below to see how easy it is to get things done with TeamBuddy AI.